Train the Trainer comes from the European standard for training for apprenticeship. The awesome thing about Train the Trainer, especially as we've adapted it here in the US, is that it is usable for anybody who does any type of training. It doesn't have to be with apprenticeships, but if you're looking to be more effective in your training and you're looking, or if you're working especially with adults or young adults, this is a great opportunity to add more tools to your toolbox in both communication skills as well as specific training and teaching methods.
I think the role-playing exercises have been really beneficial. I think that's been an aspect that maybe we don't utilize enough to really have people role-play and put themselves into situations to see how they actually would react in those situations. I would highly recommend it, especially if you're in a situation where you will be training individuals or you'll be working in an apprenticeship program. I think it'd be very beneficial to learn about the different aspects of training in that regard.
I have a lot of fun with Train the Trainer, and I hope that the participants enjoy Train the Trainer, because if you're not having some sort of fun when you're trying to learn something new, then the chances are you're not going to actually want to apply it or think that it's interesting. But I really try to utilize the different tools that I talk to them about, how to be more engaging as a trainer, and if I'm having fun with it, I can get the feel that my participants are also having fun with it, and that's great.